I was thinking about AHF and shit, we're just a couple months away. So yeah, it really is the best time of the year.
Hey,
Looking forward to this meeting big time. It's the best. I mean, getting the top-notch anterior approach surgeons from all over the world together for a weekend to hang out, and it just feels like a big family every time we get together. It feels like a family reunion.
Steve, how are you doing, buddy?
Hey, doing good. And we getting ready for our meeting?
Absolutely. You going to be there?
Absolutely. I wouldn't miss it. You know, it's my favorite meeting of the year. There's no doubt about it. I can't wait to see what the big dogs like Jonathan and Charlie the Cook are going to teach me this year. They're going to show us the latest trends in anterior hip.
Oh, it's going to be fantastic. Hey, speaking of Charlie, you're running the Shark Tank again this year.
Is that right? Oh my gosh, I love the Shark Tank.
Yeah.
Awesome. We got a bunch of cool products this year, actually. I
That's
can't wait
gonna
to
be-
show you. We actually got 7 cool new products for Shark Tank that I think the Sharks are going to totally love. I'm totally looking forward to it.
So tell me, Charlie, what's your favorite part of the AHF annual meeting?
You know, for me, I think it's probably the after show. I love just getting caught up with everybody. It's guaranteed to have fun in Nashville with all my friends and family that the AHF has been. So I think by far the most exciting part is just to see everybody.
I couldn't agree more. Steve, how about you? What's your favorite part?
I kind of a little bit like Charlie, but you know, I love learning the new things that guys are doing that we maybe don't know about yet. But absolutely catching up with our anterior hip family is my favorite time of the year. You know, getting together with these guys, telling stories.
Jonathan.
Oh, mine's probably the revision section of the meetings. I mean, I remember when I first started doing revisions in 2007 through the anterior approach. I mean, there was no guidance, and it was, you know, just swinging blind or, you know, just off the cuff. And now I see all these young guys that are coming up with all these unbelievable techniques and doing just the wildest stuff that I never could have imagined 18 years ago we'd be doing. And just to see how it's grown, that's my favorite part, seeing all the new stuff. And then, of course, hanging out with everybody at the reception afterwards, having some beers, you know, seeing buddies, you know, having the family reunion. It's awesome.
Speaking of the family and speaking of watching things grow, the thing that I'm most excited about, which is a little bit different than years past, is last year we brought in these Burkle Fellows, and we suddenly had all these guys from all over the world who were doing amazing stuff, and they were just so thirsty for knowledge. They just wanted to learn, and they wanted to experience, and they wanted to interact with us. I had such a great time talking to those guys and learning from them that this year we've got a whole section about the international approach to anterior total hip arthroplasty. I'm really excited about the international folks who are coming in to sort of teach us a little bit more about what's being done in the rest of the world. I can't wait to see you in 2 months in Nashville. It's going to be amazing. Is you guys all registered?
I'm registered. I was registered in September.
Charlie, do you need to get registered?
I'm registering today. Today it is.
Where are you going to register?
I don't know, Joe. Where am I going?
I think you could go to anteriorhipfoundation.com and look for the link to AHF 2025.
Awesome. I'm going to do that. I'll look at the agenda as well.
Programs on there. Awesome. I love it. All right, guys. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in a couple of months.
All right.
We'll see you.